Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshake powder at home. First, gather your essential dry ingredients for the base. You'll need powdered milk, sugar, and a touch of cornstarch for that perfect creamy texture. Making your own powder is simple and allows for endless flavor customization. This method ensures a smooth, delicious milkshake every time, ready in moments. For the perfect base, start with 2 cups of high-quality full-fat powdered milk. This provides the creamy foundation for your milkshake. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to achieve the right level of sweetness. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This secret ingredient helps create that wonderfully thick, smooth texture we all love in a milkshake. Once you have your base ingredients, it's time to mix and flavor. Sift all the dry components together in a large bowl to ensure there are no lumps and everything is well aerated. Now, introduce your chosen flavor. For a classic chocolate, add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Blend everything until the mixture is completely uniform and smooth, ready for storage. Proper storage is key to maintaining freshness. Transfer your homemade milkshake powder into an airtight container immediately after mixing. Store it in a cool, dry pantry, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its quality for several weeks. To enjoy, simply combine 3 tablespoons of your powder with 1 cup of cold milk and a few ice cubes, then blend until smooth and frothy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.